Hey guys, Brian here again, and today we're going to be talking about smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and combination smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, such as the one here I have in my hand. Basically, you want to test these weekly. You do that by pressing the button until you hear the sound go throughout the home and you hear every single one of these go off. You're also going to want to change the battery once every year, and that's done by opening this little door, taking the battery out and putting a new one in. You should do that at least once a year and make sure you use a new battery, because the last thing you want to have happen is when you really need these to go off, they don't, because they really do save lives and they're really important to have. Also, when you're doing that, just check the date on the back. They expire every 10 years. So if the date on yours is 10 years or older, you're going to want to make sure you have these replaced by a professional, and make sure you do it at least every 7 years just to be safe. All right guys, that wraps up the video for today. Just to recap, test these weekly, change the batteries yearly, make sure you look at the date on the back. That way you know you and your family will be safe. Thanks a lot, and if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call. The number's down below, or you can click the link, and we really appreciate you watching.